The 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback is doing something no other compact car at this price point can match. It's combining a near-luxury interior, the sharpest handling in its class, and a next-generation engine platform, all for a starting price of around $26,000. If you have been shopping for a new compact and keep walking away disappointed, tired of cabins that feel cheap the moment you sit down and engines that run out of confidence the moment you need them, this is the car that was built to fix exactly that problem. The 2027 Mazda 3 is putting leather, near-luxury build quality, and a 0 to 60 time of 5.6 seconds on the table at a price that undercuts the competition, and we are about to break down every reason why. Perfecting the look. When a car hits the 7-year mark and still turns heads, the last thing you do is tear it apart. That's exactly the approach Mazda is taking with the 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback. The current generation has aged with a level of grace that is simply rare in this segment. Clean lines, a flowing silhouette, still reading as fresh in a way that much newer rivals can only aim for. So don't expect a radical overhaul. What's coming is something more precise, a careful refinement of what already works. Up front, the face is getting a sharper treatment, drawing from the same playbook Mazda used when updating the CX-5 recently. Narrower headlights, a more prominent grille, and a sportier bumper design add an extra layer of aggression to the front end. The proportions that made this car a design award winner are going nowhere. At the rear, revised taillights and a refreshed bumper are bringing the 3 in line with Mazda's newest design direction. Sharper and more purposeful, but still unmistakably a Mazda 3. But a great-looking car with a weak engine is just a pretty problem. So let's talk about what's going on under the hood, because that story is getting very interesting. Next generation engine options. Power is not going to be a weak link in the 2027 Mazda 3 story. The familiar 2.5-liter inline-4 is carrying on, and the naturally aspirated version produces 186 horsepower, with 0 to 60 coming in at around 7 seconds. For the hatchback premium trim, a 6-speed manual transmission remains on offer, a genuine rarity in this segment. Most compact cars in this price range feel like they're constantly running out of breath. Merge onto a highway, ask for a confident pass, and you're waiting longer than you should be. That's not the case with the turbocharged 2.5-liter variant. That engine pushes output to 250 horsepower and, when paired with all-wheel drive, gets the job done in just 5.6 seconds to 60 miles per hour. That's quicker than anything else in the mainstream compact class. There's also a larger story developing under the hood. Mazda's next-generation gasoline engine, the Skyactiv Z, is in development, built around the Lambda 1 combustion method, an ideal air-to-fuel ratio that ensures all fuel burns without excess air. The result is stronger power delivery, better thermal efficiency, and lower emissions. For the 2027 model, the current Skyactiv G units are holding the fort, but once Skyactiv Z makes its move into the Mazda 3 lineup, the performance and efficiency story is going to be significantly stronger. All that power is only part of the equation, though, because an engine that can't be properly put to the road is a wasted opportunity, and that's exactly where this car does something most rivals simply cannot. Handling that separates from the crowd. This is where the 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback is going to keep setting itself apart, because driving dynamics have always been the backbone of this car's identity. In a segment full of practical but predictable options, the Mazda 3 is the one that actually makes you want to find a back road. Think about what most compact cars feel like through a corner. Body rolls to the outside, steering goes vague, and the whole experience reminds you that the car was engineered for the commute, not the drive. The Mazda 3 is built around a completely different philosophy: taut body control, natural feeling steering, and a chassis that responds the instant you ask something of it. These are the qualities that separate this car from almost every rival. At the skid pad, the 3 delivers 0.88 G of road holding, and braking is equally sharp, with 70 to 0 miles per hour taking just 164 feet. The ride is firm without crossing into uncomfortable territory, genuinely athletic without being punishing on longer trips. On a straight road, it's composed and hushed. Through a corner, it flattens out and tracks precisely. The base engine returns up to 36 miles per gallon on the highway, while the Turbo 4 sits closer to 32 miles per gallon. Very respectable for 250 horsepower. And if you think what this car does on the road is impressive, wait until you see what's happening on the inside, because the cabin is where this car truly starts pulling away from the competition. New cabin design. Walk up to a 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback, open the door, and one thing becomes clear right away. This cabin belongs in a car costing considerably more. Leather upholstery, soft touch panels, and well-fitted trim. The material quality genuinely rivals what entry-level luxury vehicles are offering. Most buyers shopping in the $26,000 range have learned to accept hard plastics where you rest your arm and materials that feel hollow in person. That's the expectation this car consistently defies. The driver's seat is supportive and well-positioned. The controls feel deliberate and solid, and the build quality holds up to careful inspection in a way that cars costing $10,000 more don't always manage. The biggest area needing work is rear visibility in the hatchback. That massive C-pillar creates real blind spots. Anyone who has parallel parked this car in a tight space or changed lanes without a second glance knows exactly what that means. Reworking the rear glass area is going to be one of the central priorities of this update. Cargo capacity in the hatchback sits at 20 cubic feet with the rear seats in place, a number not expected to shift significantly. But the overall cabin refinement is going to keep moving forward. The interior sets a high bar, but Mazda isn't stopping there, and the technology upgrades coming to this car raise a question that doesn't have a clear answer yet. Tech and safety upgrades. Technology is going to be a watch area with the 2027 Mazda 3. The current infotainment setup has drawn mixed reactions. An 8.8-inch screen in standard trims, stepping up to 10.3 inches in higher grades, with a rotary controller that works well but a mounting position that doesn't always offer the best sightline. Whether Mazda is going to rethink that arrangement or take a more measured approach is not fully settled yet. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are going to be part of the picture, and a 12-speaker Bose audio system is staying on the options list. Long highway stretches wear on a driver faster than most people expect. That steady mental load of maintaining speed and distance adds up quickly. That's where the standard safety suite in the 2027 Mazda 3 is going to earn its keep. Automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are all going to be standard across every trim, including the manual version. A 360-degree camera system and parking sensors are going to be available as optional upgrades. All of this is impressive on paper, but none of it matters if the price puts it out of reach. So let's talk about what it's actually going to cost. Price and launch date. The 2027 Mazda 3 hatchback is arriving later this year, and the pricing picture is encouraging. Base models are going to start at around $26,000 to $27,000, climbing through the Select Sport, Preferred, Carbon Edition, and Premium trims. Turbo Premium Edition models are expected to top out near $38,000, and that's a strong value given everything that's on offer. Price increases compared to the outgoing model are going to be minimal. Mazda clearly understands that keeping the 3 accessible is part of what makes it viable in this segment. In a market where compact car prices have been creeping upward, that discipline is going to resonate strongly with buyers cross-shopping a Civic, a Corolla, or a Jetta. 7 years in, and the Mazda 3 hatchback is still the compact car that the rest of the segment is chasing. The 2027 update is sharpening an already strong package with a freshened exterior built on a design language that has outlasted most of its competition, a turbocharged engine hitting 60 in 5.6 seconds, and a cabin full of leather and soft touch materials that has no business being in a $26,000 car. Visibility improvements are coming, safety tech is going to be standard across every trim, and Skyactiv Z is waiting in the background to take this car to another level entirely. If you have been cross-shopping the Civic or the Corolla, the question worth asking is simple. Which of those cars gives you this much for this little? The answer, right now, is none of them. The best part? Mazda is also offering a crossover version known as the CX-30, which features the same qualities with the addition of raised ground clearance. It's sharp in corners and elegant on the inside, while the next generation engines are about to elevate everything to the next level.